Hi, I'm Chick Henry, proud recipient of the Rare Spares Legend Award. You know, I've built quite a few cars over the years, and I know what it takes to build a full restoration or build an award-winning show car that's more like a piece of automotive art. And you know what? I wish I'd had access to professional advice and instruction on how to fit some of the parts I needed. But now, through the Rare Spares Shed Talk series, we're proud to bring you the latest information on products and the best installation techniques for you. So keep an eye on the Rare Spares website, and on behalf of Rare Spares, we're so proud to be able to bring you the Shed Talk series to help you build a fantastic car and enjoy your motoring passion.
Shed Talk, brought to you by Rare Spares.
Welcome to Shed Talk, brought to you by Rare Spares. Today I'm going to take you through the process of fitting a boot seal in XY Falcon. The first port of call is to make sure all the rubber has been removed from the boot opening and cleaned. So we'll make a start. Okay, so when you open the boot and the boot rubber has been removed, it's time to actually fit the rubber in position. Now these are a very simple fit, they just clip in underneath the edge of the boot. They're made with a rubber insert so it joins the ends. When it comes time to come all the way around, you've got to slip it over and glue it. So normally you have the join in the middle of the striker in the boot, so you can place the rubber into position. And the edge of the boot clips over the rubber, so sometimes you hear the click as it runs below it. Then you feed the end of the other end of the rubber through the hinges. It doesn't matter if it comes out, you can put it back in easily. So the rubber does clip below the body shell, comes up over the edge of the rubber. Sometimes you hear an audible click. Now on certain models, these included, they become tight in the corners, so if the rubber tends to pull out, then you can use a small amount of glue into the curve of the boot opening to hold the rubber down so it doesn't pull back. So don't stretch the rubber, fit it loose, the boot rubber is long enough. And as you can see, this is longer than necessary. So then we use a sharp edge razor blade cum snip scissors to cut through using the reference as in where you started. So you make sure the rubber is actually sitting into the frame of the boot opening. And if it sits a bit high in certain spots, don't be too bothered, because once the boot lid's closed, the rubber will flatten out. So once that's in position, it's time to grab a knife and cut through the rubber. Once you've glued the ends of the rubber together, the strike has been adjusted. It's as simple as grab the boot lid and close it. So another quality part by Rare Spares.
On behalf of Rare Spares, I hope we will be of value to you and your car building passion.
Shit Talk, brought to you by Rare Space.